Real quick, today is Wednesday, August 4th, and now I'm going to show you the flip side with Judge Elaine Mandel, the biggest fraud judge in the whole world. She's Armenian, and I think she's supposed to be part of the United States Armed Forces military. She was undercover because she used to be Delia Staley, Karen Castellino's best friend in Frank Lakes, New Jersey, and now she's Elaine Mandel, but she's really Miss Davis from Wilson Sonsini, which is like an African law firm from Kenya. And so Judge Elaine Mandel was robbing the mint, and she put all the money in these luxury lofts over here called the Waverly, right here at 1755 Ocean Avenue. And this could be mine because I am conducting an asset forfeiture for Pen 186.2 AB 1637 Jim Cooper against Elaine Mandel, Pamela Davis, Angela Mandela. And this could be mine, and I'm getting 2.5% of that. So I'm asking everybody to come and participate in a lawsuit against fraud judge Elaine Mandel, because I have a feeling, and she's from Armenia, and she's part of the, she's the owner of Google, she's the owner of YouTube, and she's the one who manipulated the Google search engine so that when you do a search for Kamala Harris in the primaries, because I don't think Kamala Harris ever participated in the primaries deliberately and intentionally on purpose, but she was in the Democratic candidates for 2024, and she lost. She lost to Joe Biden, and she lost to DeSantis. And now, all of a sudden, Joe Biden drops out of the race because of his heart condition, and he doesn't have a good vice president, so if something happens to him, we're stuck with Kamala Harris, Afghanistan. And so the point is that Elaine Mandel used to be related to Ivana Trump. And Ivana Trump used to be related to Leona Helmsley. And Ivana Trump is Armenian SolarWinds Aryan, like the Area Hotel in Las Vegas, and Aryan Circle Brotherhood, and SolarWinds. They're remoting it to your phone, and they're locking your phone, they're stealing all your information, they're running a genocide, free-for-all pillaging murder business. And Elaine Mandel is in on it, and she got so rich that she put all of her money into the Waverly luxury lofts that I'm trying to confiscate from her to make it to turn like Santa Monica and Los Angeles into the new Washington, D.C., because the White House has become the nigger house, you know what I'm saying? So this is the Waverly. These are luxury lofts, along with another one in Westwood. I hate to say this, but I don't know who's in on it at Westwood, and that's called the Legacy at Westwood. These are like ritzy, fancy apartments, and on top of that, all of these luxury lofts are empty. There is nobody living in these luxury lofts. They're air-conditioned crack mines, meth mines, coral reefs. They have like crack cocaine in there. They have cocaine, they have heroin, they have opiates, they have marijuana, they have like LSD. I never did it on these drugs, but you know, they got like all kinds of drugs. And this over here is part of Trump. Trump and Elaine Mandel are related. They were married to each other with Ivana Trump. Ivana Trump is Elaine Mandel. She's also related to Obama through Wilson Sonsini law firm. This is the Sandbourne. This 1740 on this side. If you go from Ocean Avenue, it's 1740. If you go the other way, it's Lowe's. This is Trump. This could be mine. Bank of America. They robbed the City National. That's the Bank of Montreal. The Bank of Montreal. Taking over for City National Bank, which is really the Royal Bank of Canada. Canada trying to take over the United States. Excuse me, sir. Canada trying to take over the United States. Here's the proof. City National Bank is being busted. Now they got the Bank of Montreal. This is Trump, Sandbourne. The other side is Lowe's. This is the Waverly. Luxury lofts. These places are loaded with opiates and meth and crack cocaine. And all of these beautiful luxury lofts, not apartments, beautiful luxury lofts. This is a billions of dollars establishment. stolen by Judge Elaine Mandel. Judge Elaine Mandel, she's busted by me. I'm the one who busted Elaine Mandel. I want some of this action. Come join me. Let's confiscate. Asset forfeiture. AB 1637, Pen 1A6.2, Jim Cooper, she's robbing the EDD unemployment insurance. She's a drug dealer. Asset forfeiture. Asset forfeiture. And I think because we're going into World War III, I think Judge Elaine Mandel has finally come to her senses, and I think she's letting us have this one because I think she wants Santa Monica to be the new Washington D.C. So I think she's gonna let us have it. I think Trump is gonna let us have that other Lowe's over there. And you know, like, they got beautiful girls over here, man. These girls, they want to bribe me. I said, you know what? You took cash. You took at least $1.82 billion. You took my Facebook Meta platforms. I should be 50% owner. People come to me. I'll let you have my girl. I'll let you have a girl like that, you know? I'm like, I don't want your girl. I'm in Santa Monica. Beautiful girls are a dime a dozen here. Give me my money. You took cash. I want cash. I'll take this. This is like equivalent to cash because you got all kinds of like crack cocaine and opiates and heroin. You got like all kinds of good stuff in there.